G'day, here's a portion of a larger deal of fossil material from Lightning Ridge and OpalShop Australia. It varies a little bit, some of it's quite bright, some potch and colour amongst it. Unfortunately some of the sand that's on it is opalised, so that's why it hasn't come off. I'll zoom in to give you a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres. As you can see, they're mostly smaller pieces, a few bigger pieces mixed in. Just go around the tray a little bit, give you a bit of an idea. Some honey potch there in the middle. Blues and greens, mostly electric, some of it. This sort of material, get on the screen, some of this material is sometimes faceted, not purporting that this piece would. I think it's a bit too small, but just basically, you can see here, there's a few bigger pieces amongst it, not a lot. Bits of pieces of fossil. Anyway, I think that gives you a bit of an idea of what you're getting for your money. Quick, little bit more of a tour there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.